Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Blackbox AI to summarize a YouTube video. In order to do so, here we are at blackbox.ai, and it's really quite simple. All you have to do is in the chat box, just type in something like summarize, and then add the link to the YouTube video that you want the summary for. Click on send, and give Blackbox a moment to think about it. And in just a moment here, you can see that we have a summary now of our YouTube video. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find more information on our top AI recommendations and some wonderful promotions for Sintra AI, Cider AI, and EnzoBot. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.